来收的 Renopedia.sg。
Hi, I'm Timothy.
Hi, I'm Joanne.
We are the proud owner of this home. My interior designer is Divine and Glitz. We were looking for an interior designer, so we came across Renopedia and we found them to be very professional and we got what we wanted. Initial intention for the design was supposed to be minimalist, luxe. As we went along, we found that there were a lot of challenges into managing the various space and trying to make it as functional as possible. And then we found that we make some alteration along the way. Although it's generally minimalist, trying to make the place as comfortable as possible because this happens to be the house that we are trying to right size to. The most favorite part of the house would actually be the corridor area, my daughter's room. And I guess for me, my cozy corner is the kitchen. We try to factor everything in together, from cooking to laundry to making the place look very neat. So that happens to be a place that I feel most comfortable. When I wanted to have a beer and rest, it just happened to be the kitchen. The designer we worked with was very accommodating. That's a very important virtue from a designer. He's willing to take in new ideas and contribution from us, combine it with his professional recommendations. We were happy with the solution. I think the idea of having on a platform actually cuts down a lot of energy. Through Renopedia, the entire process is a lot more professional, and there were instances where we need to give feedback, we need to communicate, we need to search for anything. We find that we were able to go to. Yeah, I would certainly recommend Renopedia, and the next time I move again.
Thank you, Renopedia.
Remember to check out their socials for more renovation tips and inspiration.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.